children. How are you? Okay, for today's video, we are going to discuss the vowel family and consonant family. So, are you ready? All right. So, if you are ready, let's go. All right. So, let me share my screen. Okay. So, as you can you see it?
Yes,
There.
teacher.
So we have two kinds of family. We have the consonant letters and the vowel family. So first, let's discuss this one, the vowel family. Vowel family composed of, oh, so big. Okay. Vowel family composed of five letters, okay? So here, we have the letter.
A.
Wow, good job. Yes, this is letter A, and the sound of letter A is
A.
wow. You still remember. Okay, this is ah. Good. How about this one? This is letter.
E.
Good job. This is letter E, and the sounds of letter E is
A.
Wow. How about this one?
I.
Okay, this is letter I. Good. What is the sounds?
E. E.
Good job.
E.
It's E. How about this one?
O.
Right. This is O. What is this sound?
O. O.
O,
O.
O, O. Good. How about this one?
Letter U.
Yes, this is letter U. What is the sound?
O.
Uh,
O.
uh,
O.
Good job. So if we sing this one, kids, this is A, E, I, O, U, the vowel family. Okay. So there you go. So let me give you a star.
Wow, thank you,
Okay, star
teacher.
for the A, star for the E, star for I, star for O, and also star for U. All
Yay.
right, so can you count, kids? How many stars do you have?
One,
One,
two,
two,
three,
three,
four,
four,
five.
five. Yay! You've got 5 stars. Good
Yay.
job. Now let's move on to consonant family. Okay, don't forget kids. Vowel family has 5 letters.
Five
Okay, good job.
letters.
Okay, now let's move on to consonant letters. Okay, consonant letters composed the start of it is B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. Good job. Now, can you do it without teacher's help?
Yes,
All right,
teacher.
let's try.
B, D, G, J, L, N, Q, S, V, W, Y, C, P, R, T, Z, M, K, X, H,
Wow, good
L.
job. You know how to uh, read the random consonant. Okay, so I think we're done. Yeah, we're done. So here, let me give you big check. Oh, I forgot. Let
Wow.
me change it to red. Now let me give you big
Thank you,
star.
teacher.
Wow. All right, so we're done with the vowel family and consonant family. So now let's try to um combine the vowel family and the consonant. Okay? Are you ready?
Yes.
All right, kids. Now let's move on to make the combination. Let's combine the consonant and the vowel family. So let's do first the letter A. Okay, now let me share my screen. So as you can see, we have, ooh, we are going to use the A sounds. So a lot of, we combine the B to Z with the letter A. Now, do you remember what is the sounds of letter B?
B.
Okay, now let's combine boo, ah.
B. A. Ba.
Good job. It's ba. Right. Now, next, letter C and letter A. So, do you remember what is the sound of letter C? Okay, it's k, k. Now let's combine.
K. A.
Ah.
Ka.
Wow, good job. It's ka. Right. How about this one? Letter D. Okay, this is letter D. What? The difference of B, B has a big tummy. Okay, don't forget that one. This is letter B. And letter D has a big butt. Okay, don't forget that one, okay? Now, this is letter D
D.
and letter A. So what is the sound of letter D?
D.
Good. D,
A.
ah.
Da.
Good job. It's da. Wow. Next, letter F.
F.
What is the sound?
F. F.
Yeah, it's f. Now let's combine the ah.
F. A.
Ah.
Fa.
Wow, nice. Fa. Good. How about this one? Letter G. What is the sound of letter G?
G.
Good. G. Ah.
Ga.
Wow. Ga. Good. How about the letter H? What is the sound? Ah.
Ha.
Wow. Ha. Hmm. Letter L. What is the sound?
L.
L.
A.
Ah.
La.
Wow. It's la. Nice. How about this one? Hmm.
M. A.
Ah.
Ma.
Good job. It's ma. Right. How about this one? Letter
N.
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 A.
Ah.
Na.
Good. Na. How about this one? Letter
B.
B. What's the sound? Ah.
Pa.
Good job. Ba. How about this one? R. Ah.
Ra.
Wow. Good job. It's ra. Next. S.
S.
Ah.
Sa.
Right. Sa. Good job. This one. T.
Ta.
Wow. It's ta. Nice one. V. Ah.
Va.
Yay. Va. Okay. Last two.
W. A.
W. What is the sound?
W.
Wa.
A.
Ah.
Wa.
Right. It's wa. And the last one? Z.
Z. A.
Ah.
Za.
Yay! Zai! Good job! So teacher will give you the big A
Wow. Thank you,
plus.
teacher.
Yay! Okay, for the next, we are going to we're going to make another consonant, okay? So, let's go. Are you ready?
Yes.
Yay! All right. So if you like this kind of video, please like and subscribe. And don't forget to click the notification bell so that you'll be updated with our videos. I'll see you in our next class. Goodbye.